the terms of use and the privacy notice, and then select the next option. At this point, the app will be asking you to validate your email. For that, you will have to go to your email account and look for the confirmation instructions sent by the Whirlpool brand. This email will be coming from noreply@whrcloud.com. In case if you have not received this email, please check for this email in your spam folder. Open the email and then tap on confirm email address. Once the account is confirmed, you can go back to the Whirlpool app and then tap on the next option and enter your password, and then tap on sign in. Tap on the allow option on the pop-up to give permission to Whirlpool app to send you notifications. At this point, you have now finished creating an account in the Whirlpool app and you are now ready to get started with adding your